If you want this, follow me. Okay, first add the text. For example, all echo. Put it on here, and you should come here and remove fill and increase the torque like this. One is enough. So now you just need come here to effects. If you can see this in window and effects, it's here. Just search echo, drag this one, and put it on your text layer. Number of echoes between 5 or 7, 10, anything you want, but I want to put it 6. And now move your CTI to the first of clip, add a keyframe, move a little bit, and put on 200 is too much. 170 is good. I'm gonna get a copy, so that's it. And change this echo time to 40. That's it.